Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad 3 is overheating, you're not alone. This can cause discomfort while using your laptop and may lead to more serious damage if not addressed quickly. Overheating usually occurs due to dust accumulation in the cooling system or failing components, which can impact performance and longevity. Ignoring this issue can result in hardware failures or even complete shutdowns. To tackle this problem, you will need a screwdriver set, thermal paste, a can of compressed air, and an anti-static wrist strap to ensure safety while handling components. First, ensure your laptop is turned off and unplugged. Place it on a flat, static-free surface. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove the back panel, taking care to unscrew all necessary screws and setting them aside safely. Once the panel is removed, locate the cooling fan and heat sink assembly. This is usually where the overheating occurs. Carefully disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard and unscrew the heatsink using the appropriate screwdriver. Make sure to note which screws go where, as some may be longer than others. After removing the heatsink, you'll notice the old thermal paste. It's crucial to clean this off using isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the CPU in a thin, even layer. Reattach the heatsink, ensuring it sits snugly against the CPU. Secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's properly seated. Before closing the back panel, use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fan and vents. This will help improve airflow and prevent future overheating. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully place the back panel back on and screw it into place. Once secured, plug in your laptop and power it on. Check that the fan is working correctly and monitor the temperature to ensure it has improved. To prevent your Lenovo Ideapad 3 from overheating again, make sure to clean the vents and fan regularly. Avoid using your laptop on soft surfaces that can block airflow. Additionally, consider using a cooling pad for extra support. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.